Alright, so today I'll be talking about a bike that I don't like, a bike brand I don't like, and that is, well, obviously, why do I hate Honda? Well, Honda motorcycle specifically. Why do I hate them? Well, it's really simple, really, because as a technician, when I first owned this Honda, and when I have worked on other Hondas, it's just basically, no, I don't like working on them. It's basically what I meant to say is that Honda does some very unnecessary things. Like on my FRI, the frame, when you're eating at the CCT out, the cam change temperature, the frame is literally in the way. No matter if you take the tank, what else, airbox, and throttle bodies off, it's going to be still a pain in the ass to get those CCT out. Not only that, but it wears out like hell, like all the time, which is stupid. So I fitted mine with an anthem marking adjustable one, so that I don't ever need to take it off again. Another thing, when it comes to the, I do know on the older Honda Rebels, to take the airbox off, you need to take the rear wheel off, which is stupid. For example, Ninja 250, it's basically split in half. It's kind of weird getting in and out though, but once you do, it should be easy. But still, Honda does those things when working on them, which is very unnecessary. I don't like it. I do not like working on Hondas. They're kind of pain in the ass for sometimes. Some of them are not bad, really. Like, I'm glad changing the oil isn't all complicated, which should never be. I'd rather be working on a BMW than in a Honda. I'll be honest with you. I do not like working on Hondas. Ever since I own this bike, and ever since I have worked on other bikes, I don't like Honda. Riding them, I'm okay with it, really. It's just working on them for the most part that gets me annoying. So yeah, that's the reason why I don't like Honda. I'd rather be working on BMW. Oh, BMW is so unreliable, this and that. No, they're not. They're only unreliable if you don't take care of them. For the most part. Like, for example, those GS, the R specifically, the R1200 GS or whatever, any BMWs from that lineup, you know, they're really reliable, stupid reliable, and stupidly easy to fix once you have the right tools. Now, I'd rather be working on that than Hondas. I'd rather be working on a Kawasaki than a Honda. I'd rather be working on a Ducati than a Honda. I'll be honest with you. So yeah, what else? I like riding that, like I said. They're not bad. Just working on them is a pain in the ass. But yeah, why do I own a Honda? Well, the story with that is because, you know, I wanted to try to get something like a 600 after my 250 died. I was like, yeah, I found this on sale for a low miles, and I heard they're really reliable. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'll try that. Ended up hating it. I don't really like this bike, honestly. Riding is actually not bad, but this is working on it. It's a pain in the ass. What else? You know, I worked on Suzuki's before. I worked on Kawasaki a lot. Alright, another thing is about a lot of Hondas. Basically, all the Hondas that I have encountered with, they suck when you're taking off the airbox. The whole airbox doesn't off. Because what happens is that, at first, Then you take the tank off, and then after that, you need to take the airbox separate in pieces to get the airbox off, which is stupid and unnecessary. So the top portion, and then the air filter, and then the bottom portion, and that's how you take it off. I really don't like that. On a Kawasaki, and on a BMW, and on a Yamaha, and on a Suzuki, and pretty much everything else, you can take the whole airbox at one go, at one piece. You can never do it on a Honda, based on my experience, which is stupid. Now, for those of you who says, let's take it to the shop then, well, here's the thing, I don't have a lot of money. Not only that, but I like to work on my own bikes. Not bikes full, probably. I like to work on my own bikes. So no, I'm not going to take it to the shop unless I absolutely need to. So yeah, there's that. I hate Hondas. I hate working on them. I don't mind riding them. I hate owning them. So yeah. So I'm trying to get get rid of my FRI for something else, probably like a Ninja or a Vulcan S or something. I don't know. I'll have to see. So I was saying, I would not own a Honda. I would not work on a, well, I mean, sometimes I do have work on Hondas, really.